We have been focusing on self-reliance by investing on building dams, agriculture, mining, and protecting our sovereignty. In the near future, we will form partnerships by creating fair and transparent investment opportunities in Eritrea. Investment opportunities in Eritrea will be prioritized to the local and to the diaspora Eritreans. We have a bright future ahead. Let me say a few words about Ethiopia's economy under his leadership using one word: disastrous. Even that might be too generous. When he came to power, I genuinely hoped we could build peace and prosperity together, but it did not take too long before his true color came out. They say a pig will always be a pig, even with lipstick on, and he's proving it true. He is just like his predecessors. Imagine thinking stacking debt-funded towers makes you an economic genius. How tragic. This uninformed man believes that constructing skyscrapers with borrowed funds qualifies as an economic miracle. How unfortunate. Ethiopia's economy under this illiterate leader stands like a castle built on sand. Impressive at a glance, yet destined to crumble. Under his watch, Ethiopia is drowning in inflation and high cost of living, poverty, foreign currency shortages, debt he can't pay, misplaced priorities, weak business environment, governance issues, corruption and bribery, public capital flights, to mention a few. Not sure how much he thinks he can gain by using Eritrea as a scapegoat, but that won't fix his failures or fool his people. I have admitted Eritrea's economy isn't where we want it to be, but what economic superiority are you flexing at me? What exactly are you flexing? Sinking beer, soaring inflation, or borrowed billions you can't pay back? If that's success, I'll pass politely, thanks. Yes, Eritrea's economy isn't perfect, I can admit that, but we are working tirelessly to make it better for our citizens. Stirring up the Asab drama and pay propagandists won't heal your fractured nation or rescue your broken economy. Do us all a favor. Stop living in fantasy land. Abandon your claims on Eritrean soil and fix your own house.